Hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how you can bid on choose or anything on StockX in 2026. So the bidding platform here, you can actually bid and make offer. So there is a difference between, of course, making an offer and bidding. Bidding is basically an auction where different people are going to keep raising the price up until one of you wins. And basically the offer is totally different. You simply, for example, this shoe is $70. Well, you can literally go and make an offer like I would buy it from you for $60 as an example. So yeah, both of these exist, but for today's video, I'm going to explain exactly how the bidding works in StockX. So to start with it, you need to go to stock.com LP auctions and then click on bid now. So you need to understand another thing. The bidding is not always available. It is pretty much seasonable, so it's not always like will be like turned on. So as you can see, for example, the auction ended like here for from 11/6 to 11/13/2025. So this is where like the auction was. So you can find here the date exactly where there will be the next auction in case you were interested, and you will find eventually here all kind of different shoes that will be available for you so you can buy them. So now what you would need to do is to simply keep in mind of this page, so you can go into this URL as you can see here, and basically keep your eye on this page, like refresh it every day and check for the news, because sometimes there will be have like a header like this or a banner that mentions that there is an auction, which you can eventually make a good deal from it or buy something pretty good from it. As I don't know, you can make it like collections or collectibles or something like that in case you were interested. And yeah, this is where you can do the bidding in the site. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you guys in the next upcoming videos.